Good morning, everyone. This is Nancy with Ashes Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. I apologize. I don't have my mic on. Give me a second. Or two. Maybe three. There we go. I think that's better. I want to apologize if I've not responded to any posts to my videos. The last 10, 15 of them, I'm going to have to go back and check them. As many of y'all know, last night I did a quick live stream about this person going around putting adult links on people's videos. And I just like... he did it under a name Steve something. I don't remember what this one's. Paul Clark. So y'all just please be watching. Be careful. Don't click on that link whatsoever. It's a scammer. He's spamming. He's doing all kinds of things. It's been reported to YouTube. So hopefully they take care of things, because they sure like to take care of us, our videos, and blocking and whatever when we say a certain word. They can catch us when they demonetize the video and all, talking about stuff that's going around now and everything. They sure should be able to catch these people who are posting adult content to people's videos, posts and everything. So yes, I'm kind of irritated, because that's what this whole thing was back last summer, with everybody's comments being blocked and everything, because it was for the kids' safety. Come Out Willie was for because they got caught doing something else. So if their algorithms can catch supposedly anything, they should be able to catch this person who's going around putting links in people's comments that should not be there. I'm just saying. But I want to thank y'all for watching and listening and subscribing. I'll try to do some planting this week. It's cloudy outside. It's supposed to rain, but I don't think we're going to get any. But I do want to show you my Mother's Day gift. Yes, I got another mug, and it's Snoopy, and you can't actually see it because I got coffee in it. I'll try to turn it around without spilling hot coffee. See, oh, here you can see it. It says chillin'. And a special apology to Bub at Getting Started at Homesteading. I know he always responds just about to everything, and I'm like, what's going on? I found out why last night. That one video, like 38 of my comments had been put in spam, all because of this one dude. So I'm gonna have to go back and check about up to 10 to 15 videos to see what's going on. So give me some time. I will respond to you, and we'll see what goes from there. But I just want to say a quick thank you for y'all being there and being a watchful eye out for what people say and what they do. So if you haven't, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Ashes Treasure Homesteading and Gardening. Y'all have a wonderful day.